equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of revising the motherboard of the Lenovo IdeaPad S540-13 IML. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely handling the components without causing damage. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located at the base. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage the clips that hold it in place. Next, we will locate the motherboard. It is usually situated in the center of the laptop. Carefully disconnect the battery connector first, as this will prevent any electrical shorts during the process. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. Now, identify the screws securing the motherboard. There are typically 4 to 6 screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to take these out, and again, keep them organized. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motherboard from its position. Be mindful of any attached cables or connectors. You may need to disconnect them to fully remove the motherboard. With the motherboard out, it's time to clean it. Use a can of compressed air to blow away any dust or debris. This is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. If you're unsure about cleaning it yourself, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without any hassle. After cleaning, inspect the motherboard for any visible damage, such as burnt components or broken traces. If you find any issues, you may need to replace the affected parts. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs upfront. Once you've completed your inspection and any necessary repairs, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Carefully place the motherboard back into its original position, reconnecting any cables you previously disconnected. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, reconnect the battery and replace the back cover. Ensure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any loose components. Power on your laptop to check if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Our services are designed to make your repair experience as smooth as possible, with no calls and no travel required. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.